Hey guys, Rex here with a quick little Minecraft video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a sign shop in vanilla Minecraft. So what I have here is a bunch of signs, and as you can see they are colored, and this is because I have added JSON formatted text onto each of these signs. And on each of these signs I have added an onClick command, and what that is an event where when the player clicks on the sign it executes a command, and the command I have set is /trigger shop set 388. Now you may ask, what's a trigger? So I'm going to explain to you exactly what a trigger is. A trigger is a scoreboard objective type which can be changed by any player even if they're not opt, so long as it has been enabled for them to do so. So to set up a trigger, you are going to need to do scoreboard objectives add, and then we'll just do test, and then trigger. So this is where you got to put in trigger, and then whatever else you want, test, right? So that adds the objective test. So if you try to trigger test set 1, it's going to say it has an invalid trigger name to be test, right? But what you actually have to do is first you need to scoreboard, and you need to enable the players to use the test command, or to trigger test. So after it's been enabled, they can do it, and then you just need to re-enable it every time you want them to be allowed to change it. And the players can change it to whatever they want, and they can change it either in chat or by executing the command on a sign. And what happens is after they've click the sign, it does the trigger command, and what I've set it up to do is there's a bunch of redstone logic down here where after they click the button, or the sign, sorry, their score is set to 388 if they're buying an emerald. And that's just because the ID for an emerald is 388. That's just what I chose to use. So when they click on the sign, their shop score is set to 388. And then what I have here is a command block that tests for anybody who has at least 3,000 coins and a score of 388. So what happens is if they have a score of 388 and they have at least 3,000 coins, which is how much I'm selling emeralds for, they are told that they bought one emerald for $3,000 using a tellraw command, and then they are given the emerald. They have 3,000 coins taken off of their account, and then their shop score is set back to 0. And then what happens here is if their score isn't 3,000, this redstone current just goes right through this block, and their score is set back to 0. So they don't get any item or anything, but they also don't lose any coins. And then over here I have the scoreboard and re-enabling over and over for everybody on the server the ability to trigger the shop objective. So if that interests you, that's about all I have for today. So I'm going to put all of those commands in the description down below. So this is going to be command 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I will have the commands to enable, set up triggers, set up dummy scores, which is what you have to use for the shop score, and also for the sign, and all those commands 1 through 6. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that this is still around 1.8 if you're watching it when 1.8 is out, and I hope that I see some people trying to use this. I haven't seen it on YouTube as of yet, so I think it's pretty creative, and it's going to be super cool to see what people can do with this in the future. So this is Rex signing out. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more fun stuff, subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section down below.